In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chatgpt Gpt-4o to Google Drive through 5 detailed examples, and it's a straightforward process that should only take about 5 minutes of your time. So let's dive right in and ensure you have everything you need to streamline your workflow by integrating these two powerful tools. To get started, head over to the Chatgpt website. The first step is to click on your profile, which you'll find conveniently located at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll access various settings and features related to your ChatGPT account. Once you've clicked there, you'll see a drop-down menu with numerous options. Here you need to select Settings. This will guide you to all the configurations and preferences available for you to fine-tune your experience with ChatGPT. Now once you are in the settings section, look for the option labelled Connected Apps. This area is crucial because it allows you to manage which third-party applications can interface with your ChatGPT account. By enabling specific apps, you can enhance your productivity and create more seamless workflows. Click on Connected Apps and you'll be brought to a new interface where you can see all the services that you can connect to ChatGPT. Among the listed services, you'll need to find Google Drive. Google Drive is a particularly useful tool here as it allows you to store, access and share files from anywhere. Whether you're working on presentations, documents, or spreadsheets, linking it to ChatGPT gives you quick access to your cloud storage without the need to switch between platforms constantly. Once you've located Google Drive in the list of services, click on it. Finally, the last step in successfully bringing Google Drive into the fold with ChatGPT is to click on the Connect button. This will initiate the process of linking your Google Drive account with your ChatGPT Gpt-4o. You may be prompted to sign into your Google account if you aren't already. Ensure you follow any additional on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This simple action is the key to unlocking a more efficient and integrated use of both these tools. By doing so, you'll streamline access to your files directly from ChatGPT, ensuring that your documents are literally just a click away. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected ChatGPT Gpt-4o to Google Drive. This integration empowers you to handle information and tasks with greater ease, harnessing the capabilities of ChatGPT alongside the storage and organizational benefits of Google Drive. We hope this step-by-step guide has been clear and helpful, and that you're now better equipped to fully utilize both platforms to their fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.